exchange my token, the token that I've been mining right here in this app, directly to USDT right here on the app. And a lot of persons on my WhatsApp and Telegram group told me, when I dropped it, messaged me and told me to do a video on how I perform the transactions. So that was why I've decided to make this video, just to explain to you how I did the transaction, how I sold my MEC tokens to USDT and I withdrew. So I'll be showing you how I sold my 2 MEC to USDT, which was equivalent to 8.2 USDT, and I withdrew it to my Bybit account. So that is what I'll be showing you in this video, guys. All right. So what you have to do is to open the MEC app. And meanwhile, for those of you that have not started mining this MEC, if you haven't, you might be missing a lot, because this MEC is actually being mined and sold at a very high price in USDT, and you can actually stake it if you want to stake it, or you can just keep mining and accumulating the MEC. And after you've accumulated up to minimum of 0.1 or even 0.08 is being tradable. All right, here in the MetaEarth app. The MetaEarth supports an integrated P2P where you can actually buy and sell your mined token. It's a whole ecosystem on its own, built in the wallet. All right. So quickly, for you to be able to start, so after opening the app, after for those of you that have been mining, after you've mined and then you want to sell, just head over to where you have this wallet section right here. Okay, as soon as you click on that wallet section, it's going to take you to the explore button. All right, so go ahead and click on the explore button right there, where you have that explore button below. All right, where you have that explore button below, just go ahead and click on this explore button right here, and afterwards it's going to demand that you enter your MEPass transaction. It's going to take you to this page. What you have to do now is to just click down, scroll this page a little bit down to where you have this MEC transactions. This MEC transaction is a whole decentralized application ecosystem where you can is like a P2P marketplace. All right. So as soon as you click on this MEC transaction, is going to automatically redirect you to the third-party website integrated in the wallet. Just give a little time, it's going to show like this, and after a few seconds, it's going to redirect you to this particular page. Now, what you have to do now is to log in, is to sign in. You can sign in right here or by inputting your email and your password. But for easy registration, always click on this MEPass. All right. This is the easiest way to log in back into the app. So always click on this MEPass. As soon as you click on that MEPass, it's going to after a few seconds, it is going to automatically redirect you to this particular section. What you have to do now is to just drag this to the right so that it can fit in this image. Okay, just drag it to the right so that there is a picture here that has this image sketch that is going to automatically align to merge this image. So as soon as you are drawing this, it is automatically merging together with this image. All right, so as soon as it is merged together, it's automatically going to now take you to this section where you can now connect your wallet. So go ahead and click on that connect, then it's going to automatically authorize and be successfully connected. Then it's going to you now have to minimize and go back to this site. All right, you minimize and head back to this site, and then go ahead and click on this sign in again to sign in back into the site, and then automatically, boom, it is going to open up this MEPass marketplace. So here is your marketplace, your P2P whole dashboard where you can start trading with people. All right, you meet a lot of persons here that are able to trade with you. Okay, so you can see them here. You can now decide to select the quantity you want to trade with. Now, anybody that want to buy and sell to you will always list out his or her quantity. Like this person, for instance, listed has about 500 MEC in his MetaEarth account, and he wants to, the limit he can buy is from 250 down to 500. That means that you can if you have up to 250 MEC, you can trade with this person. All right. Then the unit price is selling for 1 MEC is 6.8 USDT. All right. So if you want to say you want to sell with this person, you just go ahead and click on sell. But I want to sell. I don't have up to, since is only 2 MEC I want to sell. I'm not going to transact to this person because these two persons say the minimum I can sell to him is 250. So I'm going to look for another person that I'll sell to. So what I'll have to do now is to just scroll down, down to where you now sell to someone. All right, now I've seen someone that I want to sell to. This person right here, the minimum quantity that you can sell to this person is from 1 MEC to 2 MEC. All right, that's the minimum you can sell to him. So I'll just quickly sell to this person. I'll click on sell, and then it's going to take me to this section. I'll now type the amount that I want to sell. All right, I'll type the amount that I want to sell, and automatically it's going to be reflected in USDT right here. What you have to do now is to type the amount. So this is the amount I have typed. I've typed 2 MEC, and remember that as you type any amount you're typing, an additional gas fee is going to be applied. Okay, so now I've typed 2 MEC right here. Then I'll just go ahead again, and then I'll click on this confirm. Now you can see what I was telling you. 0. I typed 2 MEC at the top here, and now you can see 2.04 MEC. So the 0.4 MEC here is the gas fee. All right, so after you've typed it, go ahead and click on confirm, and then you grant the permission. You click on this confirm again, and then you need to authorize. Go ahead and click on authorize right here, and then as soon as you do that, it is going to redirect you automatically. Okay, after redirecting you, it's going to take you back to this your wallet. Now go ahead and click on connect. You connect the wallet again, and then authorization is going to be successful. Now you have to minimize and go back to the wallet. All right, now you have to minimize all the way from here again down to back to the marketplace. Okay, and then it's going to take you right here. What you have to do now is to chat the person that you want to send your MEC token. So you chat him up. Now we are waiting for, we click on confirm, and now we are waiting for the buyer to accept our confirmation that we want to start trading. So in case he's not online, just go ahead and click on this chat to chat with him, or if he's actually online and there, and this buyer has confirmed it, you can now start up the selling process. You will now you can chat him up directly right here, and then you click on or you can still wait for him to, as soon as he accepts, it is going to show. Just wait for him to come. The system is going to automatically notify him that someone wants to sell. So we are going to be waiting for him to come online and start up the process. So right here, he has come online, and he has seen that he has been notified about my selling here, and he has accepted it right here. All right, now since he has accepted it, he is waiting for me now to go and make the deposit. All right, now it has shown buyer accepted the deal, so he has accepted to perform the deal with me. So now he's waiting for me now to go and make the deposit. So you have to make the deposit within this time frame. All right, because as soon as the time frame elapses without you making the deposit, everything is going to be reset. So you have to make the deposit as soon as possible. So here you can see he said, please transfer to the following escrow address, and he submitted his wallet address here. All right, so I'll copy this wallet address immediately. I'll head over to so you copy the wallet address, scroll down, you copy the wallet address. All right, then you head over to your app, just head over to your app automatically, and then you can now click on this send, where it will redirect you to this place. Just go ahead and paste that wallet address you copied into this search bar, into this place, and then you type the amount that you want to sell. In my case, I sold 2 MEC. So leave this place, don't worry about this place, just leave this place empty, and then this button is going to be highlighted. Click on it, and then afterwards you submit. You can see you just type your amount, and then you go ahead and click on 0.04. all right, it should be 0.04. You have to add this 0.4 at the back to serve as gas fee. If you don't add this 0.4 at the back, they are gonna either deduct it from this to here, just to cover for the gas fee. And so to be at the safer side, always add the gas fee from the beginning. All right, Then just go ahead and click on confirm, and after if you click on confirm, the order is going to be successful from the wallet, and then automatically you now go back to the app, minimize and go back to the app, and then you chat him up. You the money is going to be sent to him, and then you chat him up and tell him that you have paid. All right, as soon as he gets the message, then he's going to tell you the next thing to do. He's going to ask you, okay, he asked me if I had a Binance USD. I told him no, I don't have his Bybit that I had on our conversation. So he now told me to send my Bybit. I had to still chat him up. Every chat happened right here. So you are going to be chatting him up as soon as you make the transfer. All right. So I ended up um chatting him up, and then after I deposited I deposited the system notified him that I've made the deposit, and then now I am waiting for the buyer to pay. So what I did was that I chatted him up again right here. I chatted him up again right here that I have paid, and he was online, so he had to reply to me, and then at the end I submitted my Bybit UID, and then he sent the money to me, and then this is the evidence that he sent to me that he has sent the USDT, the 8 point something USDT, 8.2 USDT, and then a here we just my proof, my evidence of payment. So I received 8.2 USDT directly in my Bybit account, and then you can see I told him that I have received the okay. He sent me the proof of payment, and I told him I have received the money. So and the deal was sealed. I told him thanks, and then afterwards the order was completed, guys. The order was completed, and then I received it in my wallet, and then I swapped it to USDT and I cashed it out. So that was how I swapped my MEC tokens to USDT. In case you have any other question, you can leave them at the comment section, or you can also drop your questions in our Telegram group or the WhatsApp community. And if this video was very, very helpful to you, do not forget to like and share and subscribe to the channel and turn on your notifications so that whenever I'm dropping the next video, you'll always be notified. Meanwhile, I dropped the video recently on how to complete your KYC and how to register, and also how to send. In case you don't understand some of these things, you can check the video description to understand those videos very, very well. But this is just a quick guide on how to swap your MEC tokens to USDT and cash it out from Binance. This is just a step-by-step guide. So guys, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.